What's up, Tubies? I'm Lothar Vey with Gaia's Garbage Guardian. My mission is to clean up dispersed campsites and trails of trash left from people of the past. Let's get into it, shall we?
Wonder of moss and stone and twilight's gentle hue, soft steps through forest gnome, whispers from the dew. Gaia's guardian silently sweeps remnants of our haste in shadows deep. He secretly keeps the wild's peaceful pace. Broken glass and discarded tin under ancient oak, he gathers lost and forgotten sin with fingers tough but woke. From campsites dense with laughter loud, traces left unseen, he treads the path away from crowds, skies of verdant sheen. Oh, sing for the silent hand that mends with tender care, the guardian of the wild land whose heart is everywhere. With every twig and piece of thread he knits the earth anew. Oh, sing for Gaia's gentle thread, the keeper bright and true. Along the stream where otters play he finds the plastic scar. He carries it with soft dismay beneath the evening star. In foggy dawn he whispers tales of humans and their plight to bushes, trees, and blooming trails in the silence of the night. Who walks unseen where rivers bend, where eagles dare not tread. He is the earth's devoted friend in lands where dreams are red. No monument shall rise for him, no songs of gold or fame, yet whispers of his hymn endure through wind and flame. Leaves and needles mark his tread across the forest floor. He tends to paths that we are led and futures to explore. Through every season's gentle flow his duty never dies, a shadow lost in moonlight's glow beneath the northern skies. Along the stream where otters play he finds the plastic scar. He carries it with soft dismay beneath the evening star. In foggy twig and piece of thread he knits the earth anew, a shadow lost in moonlight's glow beneath the northern skies. Who walks unseen where otters play, he finds the plastic scar. He carries it with soft dismay beneath the evening star.
I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe. If you like the work I'm doing, please chip in and pick up trash you see along your way. Together, we can make the earth a better place for everyone.